Let's start with number 4. Number 4 is so-called the FMUS system. The FMUS system is a really powerful indicator, and you can use it in any time frame from 1 minute to 15 minutes, from 1 hour to 1 day, or let's say daily time frame. You can just simply go to the indicator sections and search for FMUS system. You can choose any one of them. It doesn't matter really. All of them are the same more or less, but I'm gonna choose this one, which is containing lots of indicators in it. So I'm gonna make it favorite, bring it on my chart. If you want to know how it works, maybe it's too busy, but it's really easy to use. Instead of making your chart so busy and so creepy, you can just use this simple one. We can go to the setting and you can see it contains lots of powerful indicators like EMA cross, bar color, RSI, EMA 20, SMA 50, and you can see, and so on and on and on. So we're going to just untick the price tags, and here, bear it in mind, none of these indicators are entry indicators. You only use them for confirmation. So if you already have one trading strategy, whatever it is, if it is Ichimoku, if it is price action, if it is Elliott wave trading, or if it is just a scalping strategy, which I've told you from before, or you're using it for a while and it is something even I didn't mention it, you can use these indicators I'm telling you in this video today, especially this one and the next one's coming up. You can use this for confirmation and be more sure of the side of the coin that you can go long, either it's short. So it's really simple. Let's just talk about it. It's a trend identificator. So it means when all of them are in red, you go short in this place here like this. And you can see that the price went down. It was a successful trade if you took it. And when all of them turns into green, let's say somewhere like here, which I made an example from before, yeah. And let me measure here. You can use these confirmations like in any market, any time frame which I tell you, because whatever I tell you, these are the things which I've tested like thousands of times before. So here in this case, when all of them turn into green on this candle, you can just go long and take your trade. We had another example here. It was a spike, beautiful one. It went green again. So you can, these are just confirmation signals. You can just go long, like here, all of them turn into green. You could take a long trade here, where to put your stop loss. Just if you're new to trading, I highly recommend to check my other videos. I have a complete trading course, free course, of course, as playlist listed by the syllabus, one after each other, especially the sessions dedicated to the money management, risk management. You have to check them out. Also, just check it down in the description. I don't want to waste your time right now. I've got some exciting news for you. Bybit, the crypto exchange everyone's talking about. Imagine earning up to 30,000 USD in deposit rewards, enjoying zero maker fees for the first 30 days, and trading with the lowest spreads and fees in the market. Yes, it's all possible. And guess what? Bybit is among the top 3 global crypto exchanges. So why wait? Click the link below and dive into the action. Trust me, every trader needs to be on Bybit. Don't miss out. Let's make those trades count together. Number 3 indicator is so-called Verwood Heikin-Ashi. If we go to the indicator search, we simply can search for HA Colt like that, and it's this one, Verwood Heikin-Ashi long term. As you can see, the name is telling us it's better for long-term trading, and by long-term I mean 1 hour and above. So that's the way it works the best. So let me search for it again, HA Colts. This one, let's make it favorite, bring it on the chart. It's this one by Lazy Bear, and you can see this number of people, almost 5,100 people are using this. It's really another really powerful indicator, and it works really easy. When you have green, it means good to go long. When it's in red, it means good to go short. And sometimes in between, there are some gaps like here, which you shouldn't pay attention to. As you can see here, it was not so powerful candles. Again, here, not so much powerful candles. And then at this candle, it said, okay, go short. And if you went short, it was a powerful entry, let's say confirmation, because as I told you, these are not entry indicators. Number 2 indicator, which I want to talk about, is so-called trend meter. It's one of the most powerful indicators. Let's say in between the ones I told you, this is the one which I really like, and it's the most powerful indicator. And you especially working on larger time frames, it means 1 hour and above. Yeah, although you can use it in any time frame, which I've tested it before, but of course the bigger the time frame is, the more accurate it becomes. Let's bring it on the chart, and I'm gonna simply search for trend meter. I want this one by Ledge underline MC. I hope that I said it right. So I'm gonna make it favorite, bring it on the chart. Yeah, it's just more or less working like the previous indicator. There's nothing special about it which you can't understand. Okay, so I wait for all of them to turn in red. Here I go short, and then all of them turn into green. At this point, as you can see here, down here, I go long, and it works like that. And you can just do it like that. I know maybe you say, you tell yourself it's really simple. Even if I go to lower time frames, like 15 minutes, you can see it worked out beautifully. Here, all of them turn into red at this candle, and I could go short, and it was a successful trade. Then here, all of them turn into green. You can see down here, and I could go long as well, another successful trade, and so on and on. It is up to you, and you're responsible for your pocket and your money. You have to do your back test, do your practices before starting a new strategy. Still struggling with budget and you want to trade big numbers? Well, unlock your trading potential with FundedNext, the prop trading firm that truly understands your success in Paramount. Here's why joining us is a game changer. Firstly, enjoy an unparalleled 15% profit share, a testament to our commitment to rewarding our hard work and success. Unlike other prop firms, FundedNext delivers on the promise of the world's best payout bonuses. Bid farewell to the stress of tight deadlines. With FundedNext, there's no time limit on most challenges, allowing you to trade at your own pace and unleash your full potential. True trading excellence requires focus and a stress-free environment. Our unique approach to drawdown calculations sets us apart. FundedNext calculates the maximum daily drawdowns based on your account balance, ensuring a fair and reliable assessment of your trading performance. We are dedicated to being the world's most reliable prop firm, experiencing the best trading conditions in the industry with raw spreads, including in swap-free accounts and the lowest commissions. Just $3 per round lot on forex pairs and commodities, and 0% per round lot on indices. Maximize your profit potentials with our competitive pricing. At FundedNext, you're not just a trader, you're part of a family. Benefit from pro support team, experienced professionals committed to assisting you every step of the way. Your success is our focus, and personalized guidance is a cornerstone of your trading journey. Choose FundedNext today, elevate your trading experience. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Join us and unlock your trading potential. FundedNext, where your success matters. Don't hesitate to click and sign up on FundedNext down in the description or above here. This link is exclusively tailored by FundedNext for Income Nomad channel subscribers, and believe me, you're gonna be surprised. And the last strategy which I want to tell you, it's not me I want to tell you, so I called it the unknown filter, and it's up to you. So I need you to please type in down in the comments the best filter, let's say confirmation indicator, that you use in your day trading. Share it with me, share it with the other people, and tell us what is your best trading strategy. Let's share with our small community on YouTube and make this family bigger by sharing the knowledge that we have. Just before ending this video, I must thank all the developers who are making these wonderful indicators and providing them completely for free for traders to use, and I really respect that.